Good evening from the top of the world. I hope you all are doing absolutely well, and if you are thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to edit your bio on Reddit if you didn't already know. It's a really simple process. All you gotta do is follow the simple steps that I'm gonna teach you guys right now. So at first, you must obviously go into your Reddit app, and after you are on your dashboard or your home page, you gotta search for the profile icon, which will be at the top right corner. After you click on that, you will see many buttons, but you need to search for my profile button, which will be right here. So you gotta click that, and you'll see many things such as add social link, post, comments, about, and much more. So what you gotta search for is this edit button at the top right here. After you click on that, you can edit many things from here, and I'm gonna teach you how to add bio. So to add bio, you need to click on this about you, and you can add anything you want. I am login Giant. So if you click that and you click on save right here, your bio will be changed and everyone will see your bio as I am login Giant. You can even edit your display name here, and this will be displayed to viewers of your profile page and does not change your username. So after you are done, and if you want to edit your display name, you can even add anything here, and after you are done, you can click on this save button right here at the top right corner, and after clicking on that, your bio will be updated. As you guys can see here, this is my bio now. I am login Giant, and after you click on that, the save button, your bio will be saved and you'll be good to go. So I believe I've taught you guys how to edit bio on Reddit, and if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.